I bought this iPhone guide for seniors for my mom. We just transitioned her over to an iPhone. She had been buying a bunch of these junk phones like Jitterbug and stuff like that. And I was able to explain to her the quality that you get here and the service that you get with the better providers. Anyway, that's out of this story. So what we get here is not a book that's going to make you an expert. I don't think anyone in the world needs that book. But what this is going to do is it's going to teach you enough to understand how to use your device. It's going to teach you about setting up the phone itself, email, Wi-Fi. It doesn't use crazy technical terms. It's just a real good step-by-step book on how to use it. You know, like how many times have you wondered what the rotation lock is, right? I mean, there's things in here that I didn't even know. It talks to you about charging. It's just really pretty awesome. I haven't gone through the whole thing. I've been an iPhone user for, I don't know, probably 10 years. So it's not necessarily something I need. But looking through it, I'm like, wow, this is really in depth, which is exactly what I want for her. I'll also point out that it does have pictures for everything, and then it also has very large print. I consider this like probably the biggest print I've ever seen in a book. And it's just really well laid out. I think this is excellent. Take a look at it. I think you'll be really happy if you're struggling with your iPhone or you have a parent who's struggling with their iPhone. This is probably the answer. This is really nice.